Good morning and welcome to Silver TV. Here on YouTube, I pay me mobi akwaba. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Akwa kudi nkunim against Tima. Your friend of Accra Lions. And over the Accra Sports Stadium. Now, my the official Ghana Premier League table by the Ghana Football Association. Mame Mfe Mount. Na Emma Common Enye. Before I come to other news, this is official from Ghana Football Association. Consider all factors. Asante Kotoko that 10th position. Based on our calculation, they expect Kotoko at that 9th position. But according to the Ghana Football Association, Kotoko that 10th position. So first on the league table is Bofuakatana with 8 points. Then again, Legon Cities with 7. In Swatremai, Coach Masokunedu. That was 6. Until so here, top 3 now. Bofuakatana, a coach from Paul Manson. Legon Cities Park was Fabia. Nso atremai maso kunedu. Enye izo. Eno ye wo hona medem ha. Samates that 4th. Bebiani Gold Stars, Michael Osei and then Mantiano that 5th. Aduana Stars, our champion. Eso that 6th with 6 points. 80 from 3rd, 6 points. 4th, 6 points. 5th, 6 points. 7th, 6 points. And a great Olympics almost was 6 points. And he had a few over. Now from 7th to 10th, almost our 5 points. Enti Ubenya Karela United 5, Accra Lions 5, Asante Kotoko and also 5. Nations FC at 11th position with 4 points. Pando Heart of Lions Draw Masters. I'm about draw one. One more so 4 points. Then you get Dream FC with 4 points, but our match is so ball. Midiama of 4 points, and also a match back one. As I said, Midiama FC, but don't forget, say Nations FC against Midiama. So match, as I said, a basso, and then so a tremendous Dream FC. And so a tremendous so a match back where some ball, despite being on the 3rd position. Midiama, our 14th position with 4 points. Brekum Chelsea, our 15th position with 4 points. I see all for the Heart to Folk, our 16th position with 4 points, negative of 1 goal. Then you will get RTU, our 4 points, negative of 3 goals. And Pechem United, our 3 points, negative of 5 goals. So we Ghana Premier League table, officially from the Ghana Football Association. Accra Lions send them a kind or the alphabetical order, and the Elidia Asante Kotoko. So 5 points. Kotoko 5 points. Omujina was 0 goals difference. But Accra Lions near AC and Asante Kotoko AS and T. Accra Lions the goal difference and A lead Kumase Asante Kotoko. And right, many two and him said there are only 2 wins, away wins in the Ghana Premier League. And T, my more key statistics. Me see me back at concept no but trema me pa. Yen sua de kakra. Key statistics. 34 matches played so far, 21 home wins, 2 away wins, and that is Asante Kotoko beating Accra Lions and Midiama, almost so Chitima, your friend Pechem United na Omashom. Those are the 2 away wins in the Ghana Premier League. Draw near 11 goals in the year. There have been 60 goals. 44 from the home teams and 16 from the away teams. Ghana Premier League, first half out of the 34 matches now produce 24 goals. And a second half, I'm at 36 goals. So far, there's no own goal and a PMO our Ghana Premier League. Penalties, Marco 7 and Abba. Now, 7 no. Obed who are about the penalty, I say no. Because 7 penalties, Nina, Mranti and Yabotre, Ashes has 7 penalties, and a total of 127 yellow cards as against 3 red cards so far in the Ghana Premier League. Teams are unbeaten. Bofuakatano, Great Olympics, and Pando Heart of Lions. Heart of Lions about draw Marco 4, and Atwaswa, Medehons and 7. Our Ghana Premier League. Na yewura other news. na yɛmfa nsɛm no ɛnto anim yi na ɛma biribiara ɛnkɔ yi kamakama. Na ɛno Asante Kotoko di nkonim ne wieɛ no na yɛade nteɛ sɛ Kotoko ne Aduana Stars mene dressing room nkɔmmɔ bɛbrɛw mene bonus a nneɛma asesa ɛho nkɔmmɔ bɛbrɛw akyɛdeɛ a ɛno akɔma sɛ Asante Kotoko players ne nsa kaeɛ no mede ɛno so bɛbrɛw but yɛndwenedwene asɛm wɔ ehu ɛho hia paa mene nteɛ sɛ Asante Kotoko ɛne Aduana game no yɛbɛtumi abɔ no efiada on Friday, which will definitely be in the evening. Kotoko Aduana Babara Sports Stadium. Na sansen some no me na kakra. Na mpese me chirichin why I think it's not the right time to play the game. This is not spiritual. This is physical. And this is the itinerary. I remember watching your man see. One. Asante Kotoko bo match wa Accra on a Monday evening, because born you really 6 p.m. So traveling in the evening, and now the Asante Kotoko company for you. Until now, Asante Kotoko team no eda Accra, and then move two from Accra to Kumasi. It you then find say omunsimu even as early as 7 a.m. Krana. It's expected so by do Kumasi roughly by about 12 or even 1 o'clock. So if we did breakfast we are omunsim, or maybe do about 12 or 1. Now, so 12 or 1, no, we have to move for about 5 hours because I've been just this Saturday I was in Accra. Now, a quite send your quite you know speed need me gone, especially that eastern side from Enyinem at the bar we see Koko and some of see double road no the way far it's a disaster. So when I'm such we see no honor bar, my goodness. JJ Tihona, trust me, appalling. Yeah, the car get one the car is on a road and your bus. So traveling, so when you are driving, you cannot speed. So approximately 5-6 hours. I said when I saw the baby through a year. Kumasi. Now say even if it's 6 hours, so I'm 2 and past 7 you cry make us and I'm to 18 pa. Or bet you have a drew by 2 and now 1:30. Therefore, Sakas and Rantennis are be training and you will not be fair to them. So recovery is expected say one or two things, unless the coach decide to move the other way around. Because commit me recovery. Maybe a number or must I training account. So and then Tuesday. So if the match is being played on Friday, it means that and then a day they travel to Kumasi. Then Obenya just Wednesday and Thursday to prepare for an encounter like Aduana Stars. Some in Ghana Premier League, no maybe Aduana. Almost 6 points. Almost 6th position. Just 2 points off Bofaka Town. And this is a matchup that can decide the fate of Asante Kotoko this season. Kenya match di Diagro. So you training, no fans on the China training me. Thursday when you mean, which will be difficult because ahead of a game, you training me, you training back. So Kotoko can have at most 3 training sections before they play against Aduana on Friday, which is a disadvantage to Kotoko. Because Aduana Tenefie no boy, and they played on Friday. Aduana born a match on Friday against Brekum Chelsea. And Joanna on the Mofa memory that recovery. And a born a Domawa. The Mofa memory that recovery. So Mofa memory that recovery, no more rest memory that, or more Questiada, a Joada, a Branda, Uquada, Yawada no permit me training as an Omaba Kumasi. Because Kumasi Doma bear 4 hours. So they will have even Saturday as a free day if they want. Have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 days. So even if they decide say Thursday or Monday training or to Kwayan, or look at the days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Don't forget there was Friday, Saturday, because I'm born match on Friday. Whilst in the shape of Kotoko, they have 2 days. In the opponent, I only never going 5 days. We went 2 days. And that is a disadvantage to Asante Kotoko. And that is why I feel, say at most the match should be pushed to Saturday. Officially, I can't communicate, but I'm picking information, say a Friday. The match should be pushed to Saturday to give Kotoko also that space. Yes, an extra day is an extra day for Kotoko. It's also an extra day for Aduana. But one way or the other, it will create an element of fairness. Where there, Aduana will have more days to prepare for this game than Asante Kotoko, which is true. But and not just squeeze the days as a Kotoko. So if the game is being played on a Saturday evening, it means that Kotoko Betimenya will require 2 training sections, Thursday 2 training sections, and even Friday 1 training section. No, apart from on a Saturday, giving them at least 5. But if the game is being played on Friday, it means, and then I'll be surprised at Kotoko be trading. Because I know too quiet. Enti ombe or chanabia mienu, yawada back because ahead of a game where back if you had moko bobo. Massive disadvantage for Kotoko. So as I'm paying for her side, you know. Aduana played a year Brekum Chelsea on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's 6 days before the game. Kotoko Tuesday or the 2 coin. Ukwada any yawada. If the game is being played on Friday. So something should be done about that. And at least there should be changes. And it's not a good one. There should be that element of fairness whenever we are deciding league fixtures and how it should be played. But to the other news, I remember IMC Nabaso. And according to my intelligence, news about picking a sense Asante Kotoko started this season on league win. So the IMC surprised Asante Kotoko players. I suspected say on say and now omunyina kwakra. Joma bedru kumasene. Latest by Friday, now winning bonus. They also winning bonus no mon chamo. Impre asem. But this time around, winning bonus, no, Obama Asante Kotoko player, they are 1,000 Ghana. And that is the news that I'm picking. Yambo IMC number. So last month, they paid Asante Kotoko players even before 23rd. Tia Kotoko players in Kantem, eja time crab by Juma for Tia players car. And now, winning bonus, I will not talk about the actual winning bonus as Asante Kotoko players in that. Because our winning bonus, no, different. But they have appreciated it. Or about double the money. Because and yet exactly 100% increment, but there been a massive addition to the winning bonus and Asante Kotoko play be about 1,000 Ghana cedis as winning bonus for the win against Accra Lions. And not a at the IMC no Ebeya Kotoko players. And again, Kotoko against Aduana is expected that the bonus for the home match no. If the players can win this game, and also if you count than the normal winning bonus, normally players need to for home matches before the season started. If they can beat Aduana, there will be changes in that. And this is the motivation that they be able to say, and now look at what the leadership is planning. So winning bonus never be before Aduana game, no. I'm a Sunjaba, number 2 Kumako Akan. And you know, Penra. National Circles chairman, opinion friend Christopher Damenya pursue no kakra. After the win, no real dressing room no. Yasi or 2 ni bottom no. Sika one who nyina no yito a table no so. And your 2 ni bottom left and no yito not 2 right no yito not 2 back pocket no yito. And the no players ne can we no. Na a little over 5,000 Ghana cedis, 50 million. And then na Christopher Damenya Kisha or dressing room. Crabby, our coachra more etiwa. I just a man channel, nipa 20. More China say at least Ubia Benya Kakradi upon a noon. What I said 5,000. Mammy Amencha Hakra for more. Timuya 20 nasa more cha. Ubia Benya Bell 250 Ghana beyond. And only the winning bonus. And we are just supporter. And it was a little over 5,000. Because I said, Sika or the Aseno into a 2 free to you to honor. I chill on boy chill And I'm expecting Kotoko Media. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Say behind the scenes, mo de beba. Behind the scenes, no. Monfembra. News sika channel crowd na monfemba. Speeches are all the call dressing room celebration. Monfembra ni ebi. On Asante Kotoko official YouTube page. But don't forget to subscribe to Obed TV and don't forget to subscribe to Asante Kotoko official YouTube page. Videos ni beba ho. Inti no dressing room kakra si wo ho no. Na manya ne ntie se na anopa. Se panyini no foforo na o manya ne ntie from the camp so no so person surprise Kotoko players. So wan ko na likely so beba camp. Players no hostel ho no. Aba be surprise o kakra ahead of the Aduana game. No asan show mo boss omo di nkunimu Aduana game no the bibi soro ko be mo dressing room. And this not coming from Damenya. Damenya ne NCC no so plans to motivate Kotoko players for the Aduana game. But what I'm picking here say panyini na me nidi no ne aid ne so dem am fancy. But o see ne anopay omo plan so be Kotoko hotel. So man timi anko anopay a it's either on Bebe Kumase, they'll definitely come and watch Kotoko ne Aduana no, and they will go to the camp, give it to the players, and promise them another one. In general, attack it as Kotoko players no, or match then. Na Ogum, what no shirt no. You know, I say I started creating those museum like a cranial digiska. And now eyewitness. Our press conference say, hey, Ogum atade ni nyina for. Emmanuel Newton da so bere wo so atade ya me sia for pa for den nanka ya asama nka wo se museum bi sa no nanka chantade no ebia 1 win against Karela nanka ni nyina abobo ho ne atade. So the team will come to Kumase and this is Obed TV anopin kakra ya bo ano e de ma e winning bonus de ama e dressing room de ama and the mad fixtures. The training schedule no so amount indirectly. Or training plan the amount indirectly. Oh yeah, we are good training plan. No, man said I can say training plan ma be amount. Na aboa ma bibia kwegi. Enu re the anka mu nyina ne so Obed TV e be bremo. Aha, na winning bonus no so nkomo ni say na tie. Players e ko camp no. Omo ba nko camp no. So bi obi be bisa so na yema 1000 Omo manko camp. There's a deduction. Yetete. Yetete kakra. Players na nkasa amount there so betete. Na omo dia omo manko camp no mo so ache. Enye similar, enye equal to what omo mo call camp nya ba yetete ma wa wanko camp no. Odu sunsum teche no so nya bi e de check o how far. And now Richmond Opoku Dembele be ball ni bi. That boy, people should watch out for him. Richmond Opoku Dembele. Obeyi baba ya free mu be da when so kakra. We'll talk about him, but now Kotoko baba ya Richmond Opoku, Bernard Somwa, and Peter Aminu Aqua, young wingers. And no mabe ko ye. Na menya ntie se we story we ni kwanse nkame yo. Asemo menya ntie se the video analysis of Asante Kotoko together with Kotoko technical team no. Omu yi one winger esi ho. Aye no ho adwuma. Ama improve his ability to lead as a striker. So Obed TV na Benya's our story. The technical team of Asante Kotoko is working on one of their wingers. The member Kotoko wingers nana. Fege Baba Yaya Bernard Somwa, Peter Aqua, Richmond Opoku, Ziggy they also a pra in 20 university income. But as 5 way, they are working on back on. Now I'm not pushing and now attack. Pre-season I'm not trying, but I'm feeling the year. But they say I'm person now but try and wait on that. I'm improving the goal scoring. And they have Ogum master plan to unleash a new striker. As Obed TV. Made down the chili diamond. The best say that they are coming in the Adios. Bye bye.